Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Additional Settings. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Then click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and hit Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into exactly the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it and tap on this bin icon. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on it, choosing this pen in the middle of keyboarders and bin, and make your changes. Then tap on Next, choose Save and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!